Okay, now let's try uploading this into Second Life and see if we can walk through our doorway here. Oh, let's turn on textures. That's got to be a bug. And need to turn on physics. And as you can see, what I found is I could see if I do a solid and analyze. Didn't quite understand why it changed colors like that. But if we go here and set this to 50%. There, okay, so we can see those little, looks like we can pass through here, but those would be blocked. Let's try and upload and see what we get. 12 lindens, land impact a half. Now, if we go and look at this using the developer option of metadata, excuse me, so you can see it's kind of, we're not going to get through that. But what we do is go into edit, features, trim. Okay, get out of edit. Now, you can see I'm not in the blue there. We can turn off, well, the background stuff is rendered in with the metadata, so I can turn that guy off. Now we should be able to walk through it. And we can. All right, that's one solution to the problem.